Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Giwa Talani. I'll be explaining and showing you how to filter an array in a real-life scenario based on a search criteria. I have an array of numbers. First, I'll explain using the callback function. Numbers, the filter, the callback function, which takes three parameters: value, index, and array. But I'll be using the value here, which allows me to iterate through the numbers above. Return even modulus 2 equals 0. The iterated element needs to be added into a new array. So const even number equals this. Let's console.log even numbers. Let's run it. Oops, number is not defined. Numbers. Great, let's run that again. So this is the list of new array. Next, let's look into filtering using the arrow function, but let's quickly go over the above example. So I have const even numbers equals numbers dot filter dot the callback functions. So what even here does is allow us filter over each items in an array. So modulus simply means what is remaining after a number has been divided. Take for example 20 modulus 2, 20 divided by 2 equals 10, remainder 0. So it pushes 20 into the array. This condition has been met. So even goes into the array again, picks the next number, which is 14. 14 divided by 2 equals 7, remainder 0. So it does it repeatedly until there's no longer a number in the array. So let's take, for instance, it gets to 3. 3 divided by 2 equals 1, remainder 1. 3 won't be pushed into the array. So filter iterates through an array and returns the element which meets the particular condition. So let's go over the arrow function, which is used in ES6. It actually makes code very short. So const odd numbers equals number the filter. I don't need the function keyword anymore. Odd equals greater than sign already represents that and allows me to not even use the return statement. It makes it really short. So modulus 2 not equals 0. So this line of code just simply means what is divided by 2 but has a remainder. So console.log odd numbers. Odd numbers here. So let's run that. So I explained earlier, it goes over, iterates over the object's array of numbers, and returns the condition which is met. Great, so we have that. I'm sure you visited a website whereby you could select a particular item and it fetches things under the particular item. Take for instance the male and the female categories. So yes, I was done. I already have an array of objects which I gave Tola small. So I want to make a quick example of trying to filter the female, getting categories or items that are for females. So what I'm going to do is const get gender equals Tola small dot filter using the arrow function here, makes it really short. X equals greater than sign, which is the arrow function here. So x dot gender. So I want to access the property of an object. So I used x dot gender where x.gender equals female. All I have to do is console.log get gender. Yep, that's that. So I have 3 objects in that array. So on the website, I want to see all items, all shoe items. So all I have to do is get shoes equals tolamall.filter y equals greater than y dot item type equals show. So let's console.log get shoes. Shoes rather, mistake. Yep, shoes. Yep. Let's play this. Yeah, we just have one particular item, one particular object with shoes which belongs to a female. We have come to an end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to share, like, comment, and mostly don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.